Right? Maybe you've started that garden, maybe not. Well, guess what? If you haven't, CBS21's Ed Russo has some interesting tips on how to make your patch this year more successful, maybe even without digging.
Over the past year, more people have been exercising their green thumb than ever. This is because more of us have been home due to COVID.
Certainly, a lot of the seed companies last year sold out of seeds, and this year they're having the best year in their histories.
Heather Andrews, known around here as the Thoughtful Gardener, is a gardening expert. She says one of the easiest ways to grow a sustainable garden is to have a more natural approach by encouraging pollinators.
If you can get pollinators to come to your garden, you can increase your yield. So I started putting pollinator plants in my garden and saw an unbelievable bumper crop that year.
Heather learned this pollinator trick from her grandfather growing up in North Carolina.
My granddaddy Andrews always grew an acre garden, and he always had honeybees. And he told me the years his honeybees did well, his garden did well.
There are over 400 native bees in the state of Pennsylvania, so if you build a garden that attracts them, you're going to get a better crop and you're going to get more to eat.
Right now, many native bees still have yet to hatch and are currently resting in the garden debris from a recent winter.
Now you're probably itching to cut these dead-looking stalks back, but keep in mind, this time of the year, these house bee eggs. Bees are important pollinators for your garden, so if you cut them back too soon before they hatch, you're going to have less pollination, you're going to have less of a crop.
Clearing too soon before they hatch will drastically reduce the pollinator population in your garden.
So a lot of the things that attract pollinators are great for wildlife. So it has a double duty. It's going to give you a beautiful flower, or if it's an herb, wonderful flavoring for your food or your tea.
Native plants like milkweed are excellent at attracting pollinators like the monarch butterfly. Milkweed provides habitat for the butterflies to lay their eggs. Increasing pollination in your garden can improve your yield by up to 30%, according to Andrews. And if you're trying to do pest control, do it naturally. A great mosquito deterrent is lemongrass. Chemicals used to kill off mosquitoes will also kill important pollinators like bees. Ed Russo, CBS 21 News.